Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can view a friend wishlist on Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just sign into your friends chat. And now let's say I have like online 8 friends. So I will right click on it, view profile, click games. Oh, he doesn't have it online, so we need to find some friend who has games here. Yep, he has games here. Click on it. And now you're gonna see his wishlist right here. And you're gonna see all the wishlists he has that you can buy for him. So that's pretty much it, and this is how we do it. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comments. But again, games and wishlist. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.